Hello, Annie Rose. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, madam.
Annie Rose, can you kindly introduce yourself?
I am Ana Rose Empleo, 35 years old, single mom, a high school graduate.
How many brothers do you have, Annie Rose?
I have one brother, madam, sir.
Can you give me your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate only, madam.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
I
Repeat.
have one, madam.
Sisters.
I don't have, madam. I am the only...
You are the only daughter?
Yes.
Okay. Annie Rose, can you give me your working experience?
I work in Singapore for 2 years, madam, and 5 years in Lebanon.
Okay. And then how many persons have you served in that time?
In Singapore, madam, I work for 4 person, and in Lebanon, 6 person, madam.
Have you take children?
In Singapore, I take care of 1 children, madam.
How about in Lebanon?
They don't have children, madam.
How about elderly?
No, madam.
Okay. Then do you have an experience working here in the Philippines as domestic helper?
No, madam. I don't have experience to work here in Philippines as a domestic helper.
Okay. Then, do you know how to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of a newborn baby with my own child.
During your work in Singapore and in Lebanon, what are your main duties, Annie Rose?
My main duties are to cook their food, to cook their food and do cleaning and ironing their clothes.
And also in Singapore, taking care of children?
Yes.
Then, can you show me or can you tell me how do you take care of the children?
To feed him, to take care of him, and to play with him, and to read some stories for him.
Okay, thank you. Do you have some children's song?
Okay, madam, yes.
Can you sing for me?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart, so clean and bright. Hold, clean, 1, 2, 3, clean.
Okay. I know that you are not so familiar with that song, Annie Rose. But anyway, do you know how to cook a Chinese food?
I know how to cook Chinese food, madam.
And then can you follow a recipe book?
Yes, ma'am. I can follow a recipe book.
Okay, Annie Rose, can you describe yourself?
I am simple, honest, and hardworking person.
And can you give some message to your prospect employer?
Sir, madam, choose me as your worker because I'm a hard worker and I promise to do my duties and all the responsibilities as a worker and to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Annie Rose, and good luck.